Here we are. This is a piece of larch. Okay, this is a piece of larch, and this is Douglas fir. A bit thicker. The moisture content is going to be different in both of them. So what we're going to do, we're going to give 4 samples, 2 of each, and we're going to give one a hard burn, and we're going to give one a soft burn, and we're going to see what the grain is like. There's a light burn. This is the larch, and we've done a hard burn on here. Let's have a look and see how this comes out. This is the Douglas fir. This has had the light burn, and this has had a reasonably hard burn. You could burn it a little bit more, but let's see what the difference is. This is the one that had the light burn. This is the one that had the heavy burn. We could have burnt this a lot more heavier, but we've decided not to. And basically the difference is they look basically the same. But what you find is with a harder burn, it does burn down into the grain just that little bit more. This is the larch. This has had the light burn. This has had the dark burn, and both of them have had one application of boiled linseed oil. This is the Douglas fir. This has had the light burn. This has had the more intense burn, and you can feel the grain, very tactile. And what you find with it is very, very, very smooth. It needs a lot more work done on it, but you can see the difference. And the deeper the burn, the more dark it will get, but it looks absolutely stunning. For more information, go to the website, which is www.greentoplandscapes.co.uk.